Alright guys, so today we're going to fix the squeaky door. Alright guys, we're on the inside of the door now with the door closed, and all we're going to need is these two items. You got a punch pin and an 8-ounce hammer. Okay, everybody should have an 8-ounce hammer laying around the house. If you don't have one of these pins, you can get a set at Harbor Freight Tools. That's where I got these for a pretty good price. So we're just going to go ahead and tap this pin out here, right? And then we should just be able to pull this out, and voila, there it is. So now let's go ahead and go put some grease on this. Alright guys, here we are at the grease. So we got our pin here and a brush, and I've got my grease here. Now I'm using a plant-based, non-toxic, biodegradable grease that I have, and since this is going on an interior door and I have dogs and pets and stuff in the house, I don't want to use like WD-40 or any sort of harsh chemical grease, so I'm using this plant-based one that is safe for humans and pets. You can actually use it as chapstick too if you want. At least they advertise it that way. And it smells like mint. But anyways, we'll just put this on here and we'll throw this pin back in. Alright guys, so here we are back at the door. So now we can take our pin that is freshly greased and we're just going to slide it back in here. And this time we're going to use a rubber mallet. Okay, and we're just going to gently tap this back in all the way. And voila, it's in. So now we're just going to rinse and repeat, and we're going to do the same thing with the bottom pin, and then we're going to go up and we're going to do the top pin. Alright guys, here we are. We got new grease on this. We did all 3 of them, and now let's see if it makes a sound. Look at that. Open it back up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tips and trick video. Be sure to click that subscribe button, check out some of the other videos, and I will see you next time.